Hi there folks, thanks for tuning in. So my wife bought a new Mini and I saw in her car it has officially full screen CarPlay. After seeing how beautiful that looked, I couldn't stay behind with my 2019 Countryman. So after doing some research on Mini forums and not seeing anybody who plunged in and tried the full screen upgrade, I had to try it myself. I found someone on eBay. I will leave his phone and email in the description box below, so have a look at that. So what he basically does is you need an Ethernet cable. You have to plug your car into a Windows computer, install TeamViewer, and then after paying, of course, he logs in. Basically, he does everything on his computer. You don't see actually what he really is doing, so you can't see the changes. But within a couple minutes, I think it was 3 or 4 minutes, he had done it, and to my surprise, it has now full screen CarPlay, as you can see here. I also compared it to my wife's car, which has official CarPlay. The only difference I saw was the fade in and fade out after you go into an app and go out. Otherwise, it looks the same. So if you want to try it out, check the description box. And thanks for watching again. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.